If you speak to me about freedom, I accelerate. When the risk tightens and breath is suspended, that's the moment when I begin to know myself. That's the moment when I am free. In my own geometry lies the interconnection of all my gears. I am a no brand. I am a no place. I am a no lifestyle. In this quest for freedom tied to its inherent risk, I have encountered many other outlaws. In reality, we are all one. It's curious that the older I become, the more I observe myself, and the more I am studied. I've never looked back, and much less slowed down. I am a limbo between past and future, life and death, art and solitude, risk and freedom.